I have fish between my teeth, and that's weirding me out mentally. But the food itself is fantastic. Day 2 in California. What are we doing today?
We're gonna hit Huntington Beach today, grab us some brunch, go maybe walk around, play in the sand. It's a little cool, but we're from West Texas, so it's not.
But it's nice. It's like beachy, cool, warm sun. It's kind of weird.
Yeah.
But we're gonna get some brunch at Sandy's Beach Shack. It's a place I found online, so we're gonna try that out, and then we're gonna go out to Huntington Beach Pier, walk around on the beach, and just kind of relax and
Chill
see
day.
what the lifestyle is out here, because it looks super fun from what I've seen so far. I know.
Beverly.
Okay, so I have to go on the record that I voluntarily, not under duress, ordered fish tacos. They're grilled mahi-mahi, and it is so good. Josh had some mahi-mahi at Surf Hut in Destin, and I tried it, and I loved it. You know, I don't like fish. I'll eat shrimp, but I don't like fish. But these are so dang good. Except I have fish between my teeth, and that's weirding me out mentally. But the food itself is fantastic. Plus, you got a view of Huntington Beach. I mean, you can't beat it. It's a pretty good brunch spot, huh?
Hey, watch, this guy's got a fish on. Look, got a little baby shark. See him?
That's a cute baby shark.
Sandy's Beach Shack was really the perfect spot for brunch on Huntington Beach. They had great food, great drinks, and I mean, you just can't beat the location. We let the girls hang out by the beach just for a little while. We went back to the Airbnb and got some rest because we had a really early start the next day for the girls' very first trip to Disney. So be sure you stay tuned, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you at Disney. Oh, and hang on and watch the very end of this video as the girls try to explain exactly what brunch is. You ready to go get brunch?
Brunch is like between lunch and breakfast.
That's right. You want to go have brunch at the beach?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go.
Yay!
Lila, where are we going?
Disneyland and the beach.
Where are we going right now?
Beach
To do what?
to get brunch, whatever that is.
Brunch. Brunch is the best.
I don't even know what that is.
It's so good.
We are going to hit Pennington Beach?
Huntington Beach.
Huntington Beach. All right.
We're going to get some brunch at Sandy's Beach Shack. We'll go out to Huntington Beach Pier, see what we can find. You can piece that together however you want.
Say it again because I was standing there with my mouth open.